Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how you can use font frames in Canva. Open up a new workspace and upload the image that you would like to use to fill the font frame, or you can use any photo from the photo library in Canva like I'm doing over here. Once you have done it, click on the app and search for font frame. Click on it, the app will open up and you can make changes as you need. You can insert your text here. Okay, let me insert the text first. We'll just type in Enchanted World. If you want to change your image, you can do so by clicking on Choose File. I will use selected image over here. You can see that the font frame is now clipped and updated with the image. You can zoom in and out using the image scale. Let me try moving the image and see if it changes anything. No. So now go to the setting and here you can change the font to the one that you like. You can also change the alignment. You can play around with the outline thickness. You can also make changes to the letter spacing and the line spacing. Once you're happy with the result, you can save it. Then you will see that the updated image will appear on your workspace. I will delete the previous image and then I will scale it up. So there you have it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.